In this video, we are going to see how we can perform cell referencing using a macros. So first you need to go in the developer tab in the Visual Basics and use shortcut as a Alt F11. Okay, so click on the Visual Basics. Okay, so what is the name of this sheet? You can check with this project, VBA projects, or yeah, here is a cell referencing. Right click on that and just create a one module. So here is the code editor, we can write it here our code. So cell referencing, it means now we are referencing a cell for our whatever the text we are entering. Okay, so what is the first thing I have to do is subject, start as a subject. Name of this code will be the cells referencing, then close it, and the next code we can see now automatically end subject is going. It means it is m substitute is showing. Now whatever you are giving as an active cell, it means now I selected this cells, it means it's an active cell. So I want to refer something there for that active cells, so type it as an active cell. Okay, active cell, what you want to put there, the value. So dot, you can see whenever you put it or write it as a dot, then all options are showing. If you want to width, worksheet, wrap text, whatever, I want to put it as a value. Then is equals to what name you want to enter. So all text you can write in a string format. So if I enter Excel learn, okay, and close it in the double quotes. Now if I run this code, now you can see I refer this because I selected this. If I select if I would select the C2, so that this text will be shown it as in this C2, but I selected this A1, so that's why active cells. Okay, active cells dot what you want, value, so equals to Excel learn. Now the second one I want again for active cell dot value equal to for now the number numerics. Okay, so let's see one by one how it's performed. You can see now it's 40 because this code is passing first this code, then it's a running at the second line. So one by one it's a performing. Now another way we can refer to referencing a cell or referencing any value or any text, it is a give it in the square bracket, and which one if you want, I want in a like b5. Okay, this is a b5. Okay, I want to give it as a b5 and then click it dot value equals to, if I the 70, now you can run it. Now you can see here the another cell referencing is activated because I didn't active because I didn't select any cell. I just gave it as a that cells like a B5 as a name. You can see in the square bracket dot value equals to 70. So these are different ways. This is first way to, whenever you selected any row or any cell, you can give it as a active cells dot value, and with the string you can use add a double quotes and then active cell dot value for the again for this numerics. Now this second method is for b5, that is just referring there whatever I want, like b5, b6, b, wherever you want that values or that text, you can refer it as a in a square bracket dot value. Now if you want a certain range, okay, this is for a single cell, but if you want to give it as a name as a for the whole range, how can we do that? Same as it is like a b, I want to like a b9, what for the c, okay, c1 to c10. Okay, I want it like that. So close the bracket now, and same like equals to, now I want some text. Now Excel learn. So for the text you can see I am using in a string format. Now let's perform. Now you can see C1 to C10 it's showing. Let me go with that visuals. Now you can see C1 to C10 it's a Excel learn. This is another, but mostly use this method as a referring the whole range. And there is another one is we can refer is using same if you have the in the range value. So go with the type as a range in the bracket which range or where you want to see that so range it will come. You can see here sale 1, sale 2, sale 3 as a range. So I will prefer to give as a A2 to A10. Okay, now so for the dot as value, again you need to close this and equals to which value you want or which text you want. Again I will write it as Excel learn and run it. Now you can see from A2 to A10. Okay, so these two are more used format, like you are always refer to give it as a range, or this one is also okay. So as a dot value it's a so as you can see this will be for the different method you can assigning a cell referencing. That's it about this video.